Hi everyone, this is Shubham from Trinkerr. Today we will take an in-depth look at how to use Trinkerr app effectively. So with Trinkerr, we can effortlessly deploy pre-built algos, and these particular algos operate with lightning speed, and it handles all the entries, exits, and also it rebalances itself automatically. All of these things basically takes the stress off of our shoulders, and with that additionally Trinkerr seamlessly connects with all the major brokers in India. Due to this, it basically offers us greater flexibility in our trading journey. So let's dive in and explore how we can leverage the Trinkerr app. So to get started, first we will visit algos.trinkerr.com and we will sign up using our mobile number and email. After verifying our email, we will log in again using our mobile number and OTP. Once we are logged in, we can see different headers like dashboard, strategies, subscription, reports and wizard. In the dashboard tab, we can see that there are two sections named as live demo section and live section. In the live demo section, we can see the daily PNL of all the algos available on the Trinkerr platform. With that, we can also check the orders taken, open positions and closed positions of that particular algo in the detailed section. If we want to view the PNL of any specific algo for previous days, we can do that too. All these features are extremely useful as they give us an eagle-eye view of the performance of all the algo strategies, which makes it easy for us to choose a specific algo for our deployment. The algos that we deploy will be visible in the live section where we can manage them. Now let's explore the strategies tab. Here, all the algos that are available on the Trinkerr platform will be displayed. Alongside the algo name, we can see the capital required to deploy that particular algo. We can also view a detailed description of the algo, including information like the entry times, exit times, lot size, the underlying asset, logic behind the algo, and much more. Now to deploy any algo, first we need to subscribe to the Trinkerr platform. We will click on the subscribe button and then we will click on upgrade now. We will be redirected to the wallet tab where we will need to add 1695 rupees. We can complete our payment using a preferred method like UPI, credit card, debit card or even net banking. Once the payment is done, we will click on upgrade to pro. We will then see a confirmation message indicating that we are now a pro member. Next, to deploy our algos, we need to connect our broker with the Trinkerr platform. So for doing that, we will go to the brokers and exchanges tab under the profile section, and there we can add our broker. The great thing is that Trinkerr supports almost all the major brokers in India, which allows us to execute our preferred algos very easily. We will enter all the required details and click on save. Now if we are unsure how to connect a specific broker with the Trinkerr platform, we can also click on the instructions button to watch a video guide on this connection process. Now once that is done, we will need to generate our token to authorize Trinkerr to take trades on our preferred broker. Now note this important thing. The token generation process varies for different brokers, but for most, we need to generate a token daily to allow Trinkerr to take trades on our particular broker. And if we fail to do so, our algos won't be able to take trades on our behalf. Now to deploy an algo, we will return to the strategies tab. We will select our preferred strategy, choose our multiplier and our broker, and then we will click on deploy. Note this one thing, we can connect multiple brokers to Trinkerr and deploy strategies on them. Different strategies can be deployed on different brokers, but the same strategy cannot be deployed on multiple brokers. So now to deploy the algo, we will click on deploy. As mentioned earlier, our deployed strategies will be visible in the live section where we can monitor as well as manage them. So now from here we can pause or square off our algo, and using the action button we can view the payoff charts, analyze our algo statistics, and we can even download our positions in Excel. Trinkerr has one more interesting feature known as wizard. To access the wizard, we'll head over to the wizard tab. Using wizard, we can either create our own custom strategies from scratch, or we can choose to deploy some well-established traditional strategies. That's how easy it is to do algo trading using Trinkerr. Feel free to explore the Trinkerr app on your own, and please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you.